Good morning. I don't want to scare everyone with my morning face, but I figured we're all friends here and you wanted to see my cold brew coffee with protein shake mixture. So I'm going to show it to you, and it's super easy, and I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. So let me put this in its little case. All right, so I have a mug. I have some cold brew coffee that's already pre-made. This happens to be the, I think you say stock, I'm not sure, and it's the unsweetened black. I also have my Premier Protein Shake in vanilla. You can do this in whatever flavor you'd like. I happen to love the vanilla, so that's the one that I use. And a fun straw, if you're so inclined. That's all you need. So what I do is I just shake up my protein shake. Shake, 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 shake. And then I pour all of it into a big mug or a to-go cup, whatever. And it all goes in. And then I fill it to the top with my cold brew. And I get it pretty full because I like the coffee taste. And then I take my straw, stir it around. And it's delicious. That is as easy as it is. So I hope that you guys try it, and I hope that you guys like it like I do. It's a great way to get your protein in, and it tastes wonderful. Honestly, I like the protein shake with nothing added to it. If you wanted to add some sugar-free syrup to this, you certainly could. I have added, I know I've added vanilla, I've added the salted caramel, I've added probably the English toffee, and they're all good, but I don't even need it anymore. In this, I just like it just like this. So that's my morning routine. And like I said, if I'm going to work, I'll put it in a to-go cup or something like that sometimes. But yay. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.